Are you looking to stay up to date with the latest features in Discord? In this video, I'll show you how to easily update your Discord app and keep it running smoothly. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Apple App Store and then tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. So now what you want to do next is swipe down just like this. And it will refresh this page and show you all the available updates for your apps. Scroll down and find Discord. After that, simply tap on the update button right next to Discord. And it will start downloading the latest update for the Discord app. If you are having issues like crashing, glitches, or bugs with your app, then you have to completely uninstall the Discord app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, exit the App Store and then open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down a bit and tap General. After that, tap where it says iPhone Storage. After that, just scroll down and tap on the Discord app. So now what you want to do next is simply tap where it says Offload App, and then tap on Offload App one more time to confirm your action. And it will remove the app from your device. And then simply tap where it says Reinstall App to download and install a fresh new version of the app back on your phone. Once that's done, you can use your Discord app without even having to log back in because this process does not remove your documents and data. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.